Yeah. Hi. Lots of you guys requested that I do more videos with hiccups. Whatever that means. So, the other day... This is why I don't do videos with hiccups, guys. It drives me crazy the entire way through a sentence. But, yeah. Basically, I got comments saying that people wanted to see more of my hiccups. And... oh, I just hiccuped during coughing. That was a new one. And, I don't really know why. I think my hiccups are pretty normal. I don't know. Am I dying? I don't think so.
Hello, it's very late and we're both very tired because we didn't have a lot of sleep last night. But Sophie's got the hiccups, so we're now having another night of no sleep.
Yeah, my hiccups last for like hours. So annoying. I want to see how loud I can hiccup. That's probably not as loud as it can go. That could probably go louder.
Let's count how long it is between each hiccup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7. I thought they were going then. Let's try again. After the next hiccup.
I don't... Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh my gosh.
Okay, well... oh no. For all of you weirdos who wanted videos of my hiccups, then here you go. I'm not going to bother to edit this one. I'm not really going to bother to edit this one. I'll just straight upload it. And yeah, I'll see.
Don't go. I wanted to just say something. Get Sophie to put more videos on because the ones that she's doing are fantastic and she thinks they're not good enough. So thumbs up for Sophie's videos and tell her to put them on.
Well, yeah, do that. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I should make more videos more often. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.